Garinga na wa Garinga.
I listen to it on the internet.
BeingTsonga In SA.
Listen live, online.
Hey mashako, ibiyana kambe kunga BeingTsonga In SA. Mfama na mani
Hikatekile Maringa.
Shitshembiso Mabasa.
na Fumani N Shilubana. Like, look, guys, let's spread this community. Get on like Twitter, Facebook, Instagram. Put the hashtag at BeingTsonga In SA. Share your thoughts with us, and then you can actually tag us as well. Tag us, Shitshembiso Multimedia, across all the socials. That is the name. Now, so look, if you miss this show, VMC Namunta from 3 to 5, in a podcast, Spotify podcast, Apple podcast. The other one because
Ion. IONO.
And you can even download them ka Iono. Look uslava. Kumbe look our craziness in studio. In our Priscilla last studio. Priscilla, you'll see her next. She's coming to our show next month. So the
Shawata gang.
Namshaweta genge.
Mashaka, I think this is our fourth show, Love VMC. So like cancer wakangomane na ngwabla batera kwa ba rurelini. It's undu shabana kuri. This show, Mashaka, is not a show. It's not a. Is the music playing? But I'll pause this part. The show is just people having conversation. The aim is to spark a conversation, laying at the leader into action. It is not for us to provide you with answers to address your own personal issues. It's for us to say, yo, ile maka, this is a way we can possibly solve it, and to inspire others. Kuna wanaba start up same initiatives elsewhere. That's what we need more than anything, Mashaka. It's us being active. Just in this room, we are working. We are creating content. We are out there trying to figure something out. We need another group like this doing something in a different space.
And Tatana Shilova last week mentioned something. Kuri, there are many different forms of group touch song.
Yeah.
Which there's nothing wrong with that. For me, just this thing, I'm because he was in the flow. The only thing, I support all of them. One by Sadok say, these groups are being, I think he mentioned it, because say, where you find, so I think we should play away from such things. We should understand what we are in different.
An organization without a mandate or project, Yan Chavis Vatsonga. What do they do? That is the question. What do you, if you start an organization, any entity, in a specific role, is it a language? Is it publishing? Is it by in all these organizations? They exist, and we congratulations to them for collect all kinds of educated people with resources and all kinds of things. But if you have a group of 250 people and there's no function in that group, why do you exist? Would Tsonga benefit and from these
That
organizations? Because all we see is them using Vatsonga to politicize different things. Vatsonga TV, instead of doing that, then put together people like Ila Fumani and then say, yo, let's develop a story.
You know Priscilla.
Hello, Priscilla. Hey, we have all the resource, we have all the professionals.
How can you blush, guys?
But I know who are saying, okay, we have the resources to pay for your time.
Yes.
Come together, develop the story.
I think one of the biggest things that we need to address and make it very clear, Corey. She want Shaiber says Vatsonga. Shai trapa goed. Mooi wa Corey Fumani Tana Umutsonga mus.
Enta mahal.
Mashaka.
Oh, I just want to put it out there because I've been getting a lot of calls from people wanting me to write. Mina dura Mashaka.
Yes, let them know.
So I know like Shama miss.
But it's, I mean, like,
Yeah, that's a like.
and because Dura is clear.
Yeah, I've
No
worked.
wrong in doing
That's how I support my family.
And it's work.
It's draining.
So I think all of that we need to actually remove from our heads.
Entitlement.
Because You're right. I mean, I've got calls, guys.
One you must act mahala everywhere. Otherwise, Vatsonga.
Oh, hey.
And also, why would I look when you get a chance as a Tsonga? Mutsonga, you can get a platform, you can love Tsonga on a TV, Marana, or
Why subtitle
Mahala.
Why we don't get it? We should not guilt each other. Vatsonga abzinandi if you are guilting someone to be proud of it. You're guilting someone to be involved. Not everything Vatsonga will be beautiful. Not everything will be progressive. Not everything. It's like any
and
other
we should
nation.
be allowed.
It's
Yes.
okay. It's okay. Kuri loko uri Mtsonga anungfili loyi.
We should be.
It's okay.
Tell us a Fostela ku.
Na vuxaka byo ka byi nga ri kona.
The position that we are
I was so
in.
pissed off a few days. This guy calls me and speaks to me like he knows me. It's like, yeah, I'm like, sure, come man, or it's so yin. No, so yin. It's like send me in me. I don't have your number, so what must I do? Why, man, I want to do it.
It's showing on Facebook.
Yeah, I got stress.
Yo.
So mina fanele send kremana na handle ya wena.
Na voice.
Na answer someone bulana wana butonwini bya mina. Kume ku number ta mina engeni kale. And you see that's the other thing. The uncomfortability yo imabone Mtsonga se fanele ni nanya ku baba mina. Ni chava ku ri mata ku na tonga.
It goes back to the issue of lacking of pride.
Confidence.
And confidence. It goes back to that issue. If we're not gonna be intentional, like you said, if there's any organization, we need to be very intentional.
Yeah.
We need to have clear programs. Here's what we are doing to be able, and you need to know what are the deliverables. If we are doing this, listen, I won't lie to you. Man, I find out when we do our films, we are very we are very intentional about this thing. For example, we have a scene where we talk about Misava. Misava in context to Vatsonga within this whole space. And that's very intentional. Why is it intentional? Because we know what it does to the confidence, knowledge, and the one knowing who they are and where they're from and where they're supposed to be going. Because I don't care how good you are, how managed you are, if you're walking in towards the dark, that's a guessing game.
But in teaching our children confidence, what we need to do as a people is to create is to create where as Mutswari loko n'wana ri ka YouTube you can just look it under that one specific channel. Abona all things swa Xitsonga, but we are not creating at all. And the leswi vavaka loko hi create ha tinyadza. And you see mina lexi ndzi
I think I'll be very honest with this. We're creating nonsense. There's a lot of, I'm sorry to whoever I'll offend, but we don't take time to learn the craft of what is that we're creating. There's a lot of content that's on YouTube. It's not up to par, guys.
I mean, up to par, you get okay. If I judge at the standards, if I judge, okay, you should take it. Okay, but they had this much to work with.
There's YouTube where you can learn how to do stuff.
Nice to say, so I totally understand that there's things that you. I mean, I can't learn how to do.
Craft, we can't excuse a craft is a craft.
I understand. And like what I'm saying is, okay, the content Vatsonga labanga kona on YouTube. Vatsonga labanga na access to you. The
fact that you look at YouTube on your lawyer.
On a camera, on 20 people who came on set, it means that nigga can learn.
Okay.
Yeah. It's not about this is before Fumani N. I love those niggas. You know why?
No.
Don't. Their skill, their craft.
Okay. I love that.
The initiative.
I love it.
That's what I love.
I also appreciate it.
Can we improve, Namkombele?
We will improve.
No, but now what I've realized is that it's like the dudes in they put out a comedy. and it blew up on YouTube. However, it was answers. And these people, all of them were creating Moyalu or the standard Basudondika Solimakam, because he was the most successful in doing that. Now that became the standard or the style Tsonga entertainment at the DVD level.
Hey man, it's Solimaka.
Mafenya Brothers.
Oh,
Yes,
okay.
you know Mafenya Brothers,
Yes.
right? That is the most successful film project ever.
Tsonga.
So that set the tone. Kuri. This is how it's done because if Fumani does it and does it good, say landelela like
Fumani.
it's like music. Benu imbelelin, everyone started sounding like Ben Mangan. That's how it works because it's people who don't have confidence. However, when it comes to a craft, kuna masungulo yo iloku ringetele iloku mbambele. But at one point you need to stop kumbambela and
And
start.
do.
Guys,
True.
I've never went to any directing school.
Yeah.
I've never went to film school.
Johnny, the standard is different.
My point
all of the three of us.
my
Did you study subtitle?
Film, no, nothing in media.
on this, the only thing I studied, only thing I studied,
Exactly.
acting, stage acting, not in film acting, stage acting. That's what I studied, AST theater. Then from then on, I taught myself TV.
Exactly.
Then I taught myself producing. I taught myself all this. So my point is, no, basungurile, therefore that's the way to follow. No, guys. No, I refuse that.
Yeah.
Because
and there was you need someone like Fumani who would not say, "Hi, Slongini Mashak, Sasekinaner, and then Nakam." I saw it logo never found the pep or Nenda Viv. Because I did not angashabele moon kuba tips ko phela wana umchangani phela tell that gang that really bothered them and it made them want to either respond to me but at the end of the day loko bafika kaya bafika batebotsa gore we need to stop with the tekelans. That's what Fumani is saying.
Yeah, when you
Because
put out producer power.
Music, these niggas just buy the laptop and get the software and learn.
you
That's true.
see. So there is an ability of learning how to do.
Yes.
Because it's what you said. Here's why it bothers me. It bothers me, Kuri. We just mentioned on this show, guys, content I boldly. Content will stay for the next whatever years. And the content world and how it is done, it's moving towards a standard.
And they are 300 years out.
So, where are they going to plug that content?
Yes,
Because look at the Nigerian content. As much as it's not out of this world, but how they're shooting it. They're shooting such not that one.
Yeah,
Not the first
Not the first one.
They're getting better and better.
They're getting better and better. They even have a bouquet on Netflix.
Imagine.
I'm not talking about the initial one. So my point is, guys, we cannot say Kuri is so and not improve.
We're not progressing as a people.
You know what I'm thinking now?
Yeah.
So now actually Nasu realize like, okay, maybe my defense was a bit rushed. This is not only in film and television. This goes across all boards. Nanguta, when it comes to tourism or accommodation. Ban ba akini ti lodge. Mara ko ako so
they're mediocre.
Kuna mavanti maifo, kuna mabukhumbi maifo, kuna rivanti, kuna
And those lodges, that's why they end up being in Daula Gadwa no toilet inside.
So someone told us about one where it's like 100 and something. Immediately we'll be like 100 and something per night. How is it like? Njani?
Like even with those things, slept there, and that is something we really need to move away.
It goes back to my initial question, Kuri. Again, I'm pointing directly this at myself because I'm from a royal family.
Yeah.
Why is it our villages are not improving? Why is it our villages don't have anything? Because see, when those kids basuka la makaya from a place that shows improvement.
Yeah.
Shitala jona, nguzbeli njumu.
That's true. No, I mean, I was like that.
You
I
will
was
not tell that kid fuck off.
And I shall like tell my Jones like, hey, no tell her this one got tell
the
us.
son of that.
Well,
When I
this
got
is
back home.
Karele mazulu.
That's me. That's definitely me. Nafamba kungarikhala mina.
So if we do not plant moya will improve. I'm not saying moya will sungula. When I'm starting moya, I love it. I sungule.
there.
We have to start all of us.
We have to start somewhere. Mara, can we improve progressively, slowly, and improve?
It's. I think Shumani. I realized this gang yotala logo. Mina nisama location, so I'm surrounded by a lot of broken people, a lot of excuses. We do not have a culture of winning, a culture of being the best.
Yeah,
we
I
have
know.
a culture of
Ngeni, yes. Just one foot in, and something.
Uswana ni soccer. At least if you get same
If
final.
you get semi-
Guy manyana.
Because I have a friend who
I
went
like
to
this
Addis Ababa
in
saying,
Finland.
that guy is super everything I sent up has to be like look ibula mina na yena, it's a matter you. We see how everyone is dragging their feet. Kuhava munhu angana plan you, okay, mina I want to be the best at loko ni tsala, loko ni vulavula, loko ni mbarini, kuhava culture le, kuna culture you. Ntsena ni ngenini, and then loko ni ngenini, imani nga nkandelako. To be kutikomba ku ri mina I mean. Loko unga sengena ni ya ku kandeli or loko ngenini unga tiyangi swona. That culture is throughout black people. Black people awana ayina moya ayititsembi. You know, like as an individual you decide, okay, this is who I am, I need to make it work. And wabangena as far as a dude, you're like, okay, this is how I look. Cool. How do I then move around? How do I get the girls that I want in so?
She pushes.
Is it money or is it not? Fresh. It's all we need to do as in our individual pockets. Okay? Like we don't even have that with villages. Or la mama la mahlota.
That's like, it's always sex. It's alcohol.
Yes.
It's sex, it's alcohol and drugs.
Yes.
To show that we are broken.
Yes.
To show that we're trying to spiral. Look, ungari sweso ikereke for labakulu.
Yep.
That stuff is very addictive.
Look, guy,
Hey.
Like
Corona le ay like badla. No serious.
We need to understand it's like let's say career exposure, exposure anything, and if we are not creating, it means there won't be any exposure because you need to create in order for things to exist so that people can say yo.
But within all the creating and within all the initiatives and doing and also kuna moya wakuri again it goes back to makakuri ayitithembi. We now start things then we don't support one another because
I think we're gonna support it's the entitlement. When I was doing Vatsonga Sunday, that's why I even stopped because I realized I think I'm too entitled to these people to come through because now I'm saying the reason I created because I was seeing people saying we need something for us. I got the Cosa Nostra and all kinds of things, and I was like, okay, I can make a Tsonga version of this. Okay. When I made it, the disappointment, like the tweets were strong. The online vibe was very strong. I was like, huh.
And that's the reality with a lot of
because I was so expecting them to come. Because it's such Tsonga, I was like, come. When we create, Loko u endla jean. Every woman must wear it. Those who want to wear it, let them wear it. We should not be so obsessed with our people being following society. It's mandatory.
No, it's
not mandatory.
It's not a matter of mandatory. Yeah. It's not a matter of kursoboa. Why? In fact, not in Swakansena. The whole point of creating a Tsonga, the whole point of a festival is for people to come.
Yes.
The whole point of a TV show is for people to watch.
Yes.
The whole point of creating a clothing label is for people to buy. You are entitled for that, Kuri. If they don't buy, what's up?
Hey, you shut down.
I listen to it on the internet.
Being Tsonga in SA.
Listen live, online.